Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are safe and sound. Today, in our GK class, we will learn a new chapter from our GK book. The name of the chapter is In the Circus, chapter number 33 and page number 35. So, let's learn. Before learning about various shows in a circus, first we have to know what is circus means. So a circus is a company of performers who put on diverse entertainment shows that may include clown shows, acrobatic shows, trained animal shows like lion show, horse shows, parrot shows, elephant shows. Many musicians are there, dancers are there, jugglers are there, magicians are there, trapeze artists, ventriloquists, etc., etc., as well as other objects which stunt us always. So, circus gives us full-on entertainment. That's why we, mainly the kids, wants to go to the circus often. So, let's learn from our book what we have from this chapter in the circus. Clowns are the most important part of a circus act. A main part of the event, they entertain the crowd while the arena is being prepared for the other artist. They sometimes juggle, tumble, do this and that to make people laugh. The spelling of clown is C-L-O-W-N, clown. C-L-O-W-N, clown. Elephant show. In an elephant show, elephants used to stand together, play with the rings, or stand on a small platform and show different kind of tricks. This is one of the main attractive events of a circus show. The spelling of elephant show is E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant, S-H-O-W, show, elephant show. In a horse show, horses running around the ring while a rider stands up, turns around, jumps on and off. The spelling of horse show is H-O-R-S-E, horse, S-H-O-W, show. Jugglers in the circus do various acts to entertain the guests. They play with clubs, hoops, burning sticks, knives, etc., etc. It needs a lot of skill to juggle different things in a short span of time and with speed. The spelling of juggler is J-U-G-G-L-E-R, juggler, J-U-G-G-L-E-R, juggler. A lion show in a circus is one of the most entertaining act. Lions used to listen to their ringmasters and they used to jump through various rings. Sometimes they are bigger and sometimes they are smaller. In a magic show, people used to wait eagerly to see various kinds of act performed by the magician in front of their eyes, and they get amazed by the quick movement and the act of the magician. It is very popular among the children in a circus. Parrot show. In a circus, using the birds and making them go with small vehicles or small articles, talking like humans. These are the part of the parrot show and different bird shows in a circus. Trapeze artist or the act of trapeze. This is the most important and eye-catching performance of the circus. People used to come to a circus to watch mainly the act of the trapeze artist. The artist swing from one place to another without the help of any machine or anything, and they jump and swing in the air. This is very dangerous act though, but people used to love this kind of acts. Thank you children. Hope I make you understand the chapter a bit. So after seeing the video, please read this chapter at home with spellings and learn this at home properly. Bye bye.